Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to Moldova for business. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official e-visa site of Moldova. So let's go and click on apply now. So the data I'm going to put here is just sample. They do not belong to any real person or something. Okay, so this is just sample data. So and you need to fill as per your case. Smith. I'm putting nationality India. I need to put email, this verification code, and then this will send an email to my email address. So I'm going to do that. Okay, guys. So I've completed that verification and it has opened. Okay. So it is asking your name provided. I'll be just putting sample data. Okay, this is not real. Do it as per your case and at your own risk. I'm just putting some sample, guys. Place of birth, locality. So again, I do as per your case. I'm just putting sample. And it's very good to have this information match with your passport so that you don't feel any issue. Gender. I'm putting single, but if you are married, you need to put that. Home address. Phone, main, secondary. I'm gonna put that just sample, guys. Okay. Minor, no occupation. I'm selecting businessman. Next. Travel document type. I select passport. Make sure this information matches with your passport because I see a lot of people do mistakes and then later struggle with this. Country issued passport. I select India. You do it as per your case. Okay, this is just sample. And all these pieces of information you can find it in your passport itself. So make sure you follow that so that you don't encounter any issue. Issue date. The passport or residence country. Do you reside in a country other than citizenship? No. I select no, but if you just select yes. Requested visa type. This is very important. I select CNA business. Number of entries. I go for multiple. You need to do it as per your case. 60 days I have asked. Visit purpose. Select valid from when you want. Select 30, 60 days I selected, right? So number 29. Do you have valid visa reservation issued by EU member state or Schengen? I select no, but if you have, provide that info. Destination country, this is only for transit, so I select no. City of arrival, do you have around, like I'm leaving it because this is not mandatory field, but you definitely provide if you have information. Travel cost, you'll be paying, so you select that, whichever is applicable for you. Means of accommodation unit, hotel. I'll just write Hotel Moldova, but definitely it's not true. Sample Hotel Moldo. Okay. So hopefully they don't put validations. Otherwise, I may need to do a lot of research. Have you filled the sponsorship or private accommodation commitment? I select no. But if you have definitely medical insurance, I know it's required and I have seen for all most of the countries. For European Union, mostly for all. Next. Payment fee. and not refund, yes, I agree. And the fee is 40 euros. So if I pay next, I have to apply attached documents, and then terms condition I have to accept. You're exempted if you fall under this. So I'm not going to go to the next stage, but you got the idea how to do this. So please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.